Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today we will be reviewing Super Growth Hair Gel. If you guys have been on Instagram, you have seen the Loc'd community going crazy over this product. And of course, I had to get my hands on it and try it out myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this right now. This video is not a tutorial. This is strictly a product review / get ready with me. We were on a very strict time schedule when we filmed this video. So we didn't have time to set up everything. The camera is being handheld. That's why you may have noticed the shakiness. But like I said, this will not be a tutorial. This will be a get ready with me / product review. If you are interested in any of the styles that you see in this video, my family and I will recreate all the styles that you see. So please remember to give this a big thumbs up. Alright, so we're going to start off with retwisting. I enjoyed retwisting my locks with this product. The hold is amazing. It's super lightweight. The new growth is being held in place and it's looking good. It's shiny. It's moisturized. It doesn't feel like your locks are being held down. I'm someone who enjoys the unruliness of my locks. So sometimes I do not enjoy a heavy retwisting gel. You guys know I love the lock-in gel. I use it in all my tutorials, but it is a heavier gel. This product is more lightweight. Another thing that I'm loving is that you don't need to use a lot. Our loctician was able to retwist the entire family and barely put a dent. Also, this product left no flakes, no residue, and no dry time. I was reading some of its ingredients and I'm just loving what I'm seeing. We got wild bee honey, coconut oil, virgin olive oil, shea butter. We got all the good stuff. I'm just loving this product overall. And you guys, my husband reaches 1 year next month. Woo! I'm so happy for him and low-key jealous. So I cannot wait to celebrate his first year locked. I will have to give this product a 10 across the board because there were no flakes. The hold was amazing. It was super lightweight, and my son is currently trying to go to sleep. If you guys are interested in this product, I will have their Instagram listed below so you guys can check it out. But that's pretty much it for this review. If you guys are loving any of the styles that you see in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. We will recreate all of these looks, so go right ahead and give this video a thumbs up. But again, definitely check out Super Growth. It is a great product to retwist with. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.